Northern Diesel Injection has been a trusted leader in diesel injection technology for over 40 years, built on proven expertise and real-world results. Specializing in the supply and repair of diesel injectors and pumps, we deliver precision solutions that keep your fuel injection systems running. We specialize in complete fuel injection solutions, extending far beyond component supply and repair. Our service includes advanced diagnostics to accurately identify faults, followed by comprehensive after-service support, where we remain involved through to final resolution, ensuring every job is completed successfully. In industries where reliability is non-negotiable, transport, agriculture, construction and mining, engine performance directly impacts productivity. Faulty fuel injection systems can lead to costly downtime, reduced efficiency, and increased fuel consumption. Businesses need a partner who understands these challenges and provides dependable solutions. At Northern Diesel Injection, we combine technical expertise with advanced equipment to supply and repair diesel injectors and pumps to the highest standards. Our team of factory-trained technicians ensure every component is tested, calibrated, and restored to optimal performance. We also have an in-house engineering section dedicated to creating tools and solutions when no parts are available. We don't just repair failed components, we determine why they failed. Our failure analysis service delivers clear, detailed reports that uncover root causes, helping our clients eliminate repeat failures and improve system reliability. Whether you require new injectors, precision repairs, or complete pump overhauls, we provide solutions tailored to your operational needs. Our services extends engine life, improves fuel efficiency, and reduces overall operating costs. Our reputation is built on quality and trust. Clients across transport fleets, agricultural enterprises, and heavy industry rely on us to keep their engines running smoothly. Testimonials highlight reduced downtime, improved performance, and significant cost savings, all achieved through our commitment to excellence. Northern Diesel Injection is more than a service provider. We are your partner in performance. Whether you operate a single vehicle or manage a large fleet, our expertise in supplying and repairing diesel injectors and pumps ensures reliability where it matters most. Contact Northern Diesel Injection today and experience the difference precision engineering can make.